Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all feeling blessed. So in today's video we're going to make this quick and easy beef and chicken stir fry recipe. It's a delicious recipe that you don't want to miss. So if you're interested in seeing more of how I make this recipe, keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So to get this recipe started, I'm going to show you guys the beef and chicken which I will be using to make this delicious chicken and beef stir fry recipe. So this is what the beef looks like. We're going to go ahead and make the sauce for the meat. So we're going to add our low sodium soy sauce to the bowl. Next we are going to go in with our sesame seed oil. We're going to add some sea salt and ground black pepper, and then we're going to continue with this recipe. To continue with this recipe, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to the meat. We're going to coat the meat very well into the cornstarch. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil onto the meat. Give it a very nice mix. Now we're going to pour this flavorful sauce all over the meat. Make sure the meat is fully coated into the sauce. Now we're going to set the meat to marinate for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to get our pot ready. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil onto the pot. Make sure the pot is nice and hot. Now we're going to place our chicken and beef into the pot. Now we're going to mix that around. We're going to cook the chicken and beef for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then we're going to go in with our minced garlic. If you have fresh garlic, you can use it as well for this recipe. Now we're going to let the meat simmer down for 30 seconds. Once the meat is fully cooked, we're going to remove the meat from the pot. We're going to set it to the side. We're going to get our veggies ready. Now we're going to add our veggies to the pot. So I am going to add some fresh onion. We're going to go in with fresh peppers and cabbage. So these are all the veggies we're using for this recipe. You can add whatever veggies that you have. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to the pot. Give it a very nice mix. So I like my veggies nice and crunchy, so we're just going to cook for 15 seconds and that's what it looks like. It smells really good. We're going to go right in with our chicken, guys. This chicken smells amazing. Now we're going to give it a very nice mix. Make sure all of our ingredients are fully combined. And that looks absolutely beautiful. The smell is amazing. I love the veggies. It's nice and crunchy. We're going to cook for about 30 more seconds. And then we're going to go in with about a teaspoon of low sodium soy sauce. Give it a very nice mix again. and that looks beautiful. After 30 seconds of cooking, this is the final results of our crispy chicken and beef stir fry recipe. It came out absolutely delicious. The smell was amazing. The veggies were very crunchy, just the way I like them. And that's the final results of this recipe. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye guys.